Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Thank you for joining in, and thank you to every single subscriber who have subscribed to this channel. You guys do mean a lot to me. In this video, I will show you guys how to replace a battery on BMW E30. So the reason why I want to change the battery today is because I don't know when was the last time the battery has been changed. And it's been few times the car won't start, so I had to jump start the car. And I thought, you know what, there's an offer on Euro car parts, so I went out there, got myself a brand new battery, and yeah, we'll just swap it around, and hopefully it shouldn't be having any issue with the morning cold starts. So let's start lifting up the hood. So here's the battery. Now I don't know when was the last time the battery has been changed, so we're just gonna go ahead and change the battery. Now when changing the battery, it's so important to remember that when you're removing the battery, this is the first thing you remove, the negative terminal. That's the first one, and then you remove the positive terminal. And when you're putting the battery back, the positive terminal goes first and then the negative terminal. That's how simple it is. And the tools that you need is just normal tools. I will just show you what you need, and yeah, let's get cracking. So let's get the tools and battery out. So there's the battery. So let's get started. Boy. 13mm socket here. That's gonna be this. This, I think it's gonna be 10mm. Yeah. So that's 13mm and that's 10mm. So that's loose now. First thing first, we need to remove the negative terminal, then we remove the positive terminal. Now, so this battery was sitting loose. Here's the old battery, and that's the new battery. In here. Now let's get this battery installed. Now what I'm trying to do here is, of course, this wasn't secured at all before, so I'm trying to secure the whole battery. Alright, so I've secured the battery now using this bit, and now the battery is secured. Now let's go ahead and put the positive first, and then to finish the job off, I will just put the negative terminal. So using a 10mm socket to tighten the whole thing out. Right, so all the connections are fine. Now let's just go and see if the car starts. There we go. The battery has been replaced, and happy days. So I've done the battery replacement and the car's starting fine. So that's it. That's how easy it is to replace a battery in this BMW E30. Hopefully you have enjoyed this video. If you have, just do make sure to press the thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, just make sure you subscribe. I see you for next time. Whew.